wanted to make your ideas visually pop? Let's turn your concepts into captivating whiteboard animations. Watch this video till the end to know how I created this. And if you like this video, then do subscribe. Go to Canva, create a blank page using this size. First step is to get images or graphics for the animation. I'm using the ones that are available in Canva. Obviously, you can use your own images or graphics. Just simply click on Uploads and there you can directly upload from your phone or desktop. Second step is to add text. That will explain what you are showing through the animation. Add the text, then change the font. Now I'm adding an arrow to enhance the focus on the text. I forgot to change the text color, let me change it quickly. Third step is to download this page as PNG. Click on the top right corner, then click on Download. Fourth step, click on the video, Landscape. Now scroll and go to Apps. Search for Speed Paint. Select the first option. Fifth step, click on Choose File. Select the PNG image you just downloaded. Select the sketch duration, then the color fill duration. You can turn off the option Sketching Hand Effect if you want. Then click on Generate. It's time to wait for the video to generate. After that, click on the Add to Design option. Now drag and adjust the video in the page. Another thing that you can do is, you can turn off the color fill option. If you do this, the colors will not be added to the video. Your video will stay as black and white. I'm gonna show you both the results, how the videos turned out.